Recording.
Hey, good morning. It is Friday, August something. I don't know. And I'm in Cherokee again. And I'm on the loudest bike that I own. If we see elk today, we're going to scare the crap out of them, which kind of sucks. They're probably used to it. There's a lot of geniuses on Harleys who think that loud pipes save lives. Look how packed Peters is today. Don't get that in parking spot. It's hard to back out of. All these cars are parked here for Peters. But I drank my Red Bull. I'm ready to go. I am on a Ducati Monster. It is 10 minutes to 9. I just did the 21,000 mile service on this thing. I did put up a video for the oil change. I did not put up a video for the forks rebuild, because once I was done with the oil change and checking out the bike and servicing it, blah 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 blah, I pulled the motorcycle off the lift and there's a big puddle of oil underneath the front tire. So in my garage I have a I don't know if you call it a crane. It's a winch. When I built the house in my garage in the floor joist, I went ahead and I reinforced the floor joist, and I put a 2x2 steel pipe I mounted it up in the floor joist, across several floor joists, so that it could disperse the weight. And into that pipe, that steel beam, whatever you want to call it, I attached a winch motor, electric winch motor. It's very helpful for rebuilding forks, because I can just hook up to the front of the bike and lift the front of the bike off the ground and then pull the forks out of the bottom. So easy. So easy. But here we are in the Smoky Mountains National Park. We are going to pass a Mercedes, because they're from Blount County. They're not going to pull over for us. And it doesn't look like there's any elk out this morning. They mowed the grass in the median recently, so there's nothing for them to eat there. Yeah, there's no elk out today. Shoot. Shoot. All we get are turkeys. All we get are turkeys. Those are some big, healthy turkeys, though. That Mercedes is holding up a lot of traffic. When I passed the Mercedes, those people should have passed with me. I feel the national park is going to be slam-packed today. I'm not going to run video through it. all do not want to see what I do. I woke up this morning, it was blue skies, perfect. There wasn't a cloud in the sky at the house. On my way up here, there was a little bit of fog. This bike doesn't tell me the temperature. Here's an elk. Here is an elk. Look at the rack on that joker. Oh, look at him. That is awesome. How do they make it through the forest with that big old rack on them? That is awesome. But yeah, the morning was just perfect today. It didn't rain last night, so the fog wasn't too bad. The fog that I did see was up above the tree line, so I didn't get wet like most mornings. And this road should be dry today. This will be one of the first times I've come through here that the road's going to be dry. I can't believe we actually got to see an elk with antlers. How cool is that? This is the whole reason I come up here. I saw a 10-point deer yesterday on my way home from the Amazon. They hang out here too. Definitely have seen elk through here. Just not going to see them today. That joker just strolled across the road too. No care in the world. Alright, end of the show. Hey, thanks for watching. I'm glad that I got to let you guys see an elk. If you're in the area, give me a holler. We'll go for a ride. If you like the video, give me a huge thumbs up. Thanks for watching.